In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on GoHighLevel. Tags are simple labels you can attach to contacts, conversations, and automations to keep everything organized. Whether you're segmenting leads, tracking campaigns, or triggering workflows, a clear tagging system saves time and prevents mistakes. All you need is access to your GoHighLevel account and permission to update settings in the location you're working in. Start by signing into your account the way you normally do. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the gear icon labeled Settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see the labels. This takes you to the area where you control company-level preferences for the current location. If you work across multiple locations, make sure the correct one is selected before continuing. Inside Settings, find the Tags section and open it. Depending on your layout, it may appear under a company heading, but the page you want is simply called Tags. Here you'll see a list of any existing tags along with controls to add new ones. This page is your central place to standardize naming, so your team applies consistent labels across funnels, pipelines, and automation. To create a new label, click the New Tag button. A small window or panel will appear prompting you for a tag name. This is the only required field, and it's what you'll search for later when adding the tag to contacts or using it in filters and triggers. Type the tag name you want to use. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with your existing system. Many teams use lowercase with hyphens or underscores, like lead new, webinar registered, or VIP customer, so everything stays uniform. Avoid special characters or overly long phrases, and try not to duplicate tags that mean the same thing. A quick internal convention, such as prefixing by channel or campaign, will make reporting and automation easier down the road. When you're happy with the name, click Create. Your new tag will appear in the list immediately and is now available throughout your account, including contacts, conversations, bulk actions, and workflow conditions. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or verify you're in the correct location and have the necessary permissions. That's all there is to it. By adding clear, well-structured tags now, you'll streamline segmentation, improve targeting, and make your automations far more reliable.